Hello beautiful people, welcome back to yet another fertility video. So guys, in today's video you will learn how to use a simple herbs you have in your kitchen to boost fertility. If you have been trying to conceive for long and it's not forthcoming, this video is for you. And one thing I love about these two herbs, you can take it together with your partner. It's both for men and for women. So if this is what you like to watch, love to watch, relax. Let's dive into the video. The two herbs we need. This is cinnamon stick, Ceylon cinnamon, and this is gloves. This gloves is also known as double pepper. Cinnamon help with hormonal issues. If there's someone that you are battling with hormonal imbalance, cinnamon will help you balance the hormone. It also helps with sperm health, help to boost the blood flow to the male genital organ. Also help in menstrual regulation. It helps to manage menstrual cycle and help women with PCOS. It helps them a lot in terms of conception. It also helps to boost the sperm and the egg quality. Also help to boost low testosterone in men, also help to increase estrogen level. Also help with uterine health. It does that by improving the blood flow to the uterus. Yeah, cinnamon stick does that. So it helps in boosting fertility. Gloves, on the other hand, contain antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial property. Glove helps to treat infection, helps to boost fertility. In some people, it promotes hyperovulation. It can help you conceive twins. It helps with ovarian function and also help with sperm health. It helps also to boost the sperm quality in men. It's good for erectile and function in men. So these two herbs are perfect. You combine the two, they are perfect for boosting fertility and it will help you, conceive super fast. So let me teach you how you can combine them and when and how to, if you can get this, blend it into powder, use it for your cooking. If you're cooking your food, you add it or you add it to your smoothie. If you don't want to use it that way, get this two stick like this, 2 tablespoons of cloves. You blend them together. When you blend them together, get a tight container like this that have a cover. After blending the two, you pour into your airtight container, you cover, you keep. Then before the day you start seeing your period, you take a teaspoon of your blended herb into a cup of hot water. Allow to infuse for 30 minutes. You sip and you drink from the first day of your period. You drink it 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at night. Please don't do the tea and store in the fridge. No, do fresh tea every day. A teaspoon into a cup of hot water. 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at night. On the first day, you start seeing the period. Up to your ovulation day, you stop. Don't forget to carry your partner along. As you are drinking it, give to your partner. It helps to treat erectile dysfunction in men, as I've said, help to boost sperm quality in men, help to balance low and increase low testosterone in men. So take it along with your partner. Yes. So guys, remember, when you're taking this, remember to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Very, very important. Manage your stress level. You see, stress is one thing that affects fertility. We don't know. You see, stress and anxiety. Being over anxious to conceive, it affects the hormone. That is why we are suffering from infertility because of stress and anxiety. Learn how to change your diet, eat balanced diet, regular exercise. If you are smoking, you are drinking alcohol, please stop it. It affects fertility. Yes. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. If you have any questions relating to this video, please drop it at the comment section and I will reply you. If you have used cinnamon or gloves and it worked for you, Drop your experience for me on the comment section. If you love what we are doing here, please subscribe and be part of this family. Just help me subscribe. As you subscribe, drop a comment for me. If I see your comment is a blessing to me, please drop a comment for me. I'll be happy to reply you and welcome you into this amazing family. Please guys, thank you for watching. I make video on health, on fertility, weight loss, weight gain. I do a lot on this channel. Yeah. Thank you once more for giving me your time. For now, bye.